here. You know what's something weird that I've always kind of wondered?
Where?
What you know Jerry, right?
Yeah, Duck.
Yeah. Where the hell does he go? Like he's always here for the show, and then I just never see him again. Wait, do you hear that? You hear that, right? Where is that coming from? Is that coming from the attic?
Have you ever gone up here since you got the house?
Actually, no, now that you mention it, I've never actually even been up there. Maybe we should go check it out.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go there. Alright, well, you go look for Jerry, and I'll go see what I can find around here.
Alright, I'm just gonna go.
Alright. Man, this is some bitchin' music. Alright, good luck, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Oh my god! I'm not gonna judge, but fucking get a room!
We're in a room.
Well, shut the fucking door then! Jeez! Man, there seems to be a lot of people here that don't actually exist in real life. There's the Smorax. Doesn't surprise me that he's not alive. I ain't even gonna try to talk about them, because they fucking terrify me. Oh, there they are. Wait, no, there's more of you? Is that fuck up juice?
Bam! I just snorted an entire suitcase full of coke, and I'm starting to feel the effects.
Oh.
Alright now, well, that was some crazy shit right there. Anyway, yeah, so they just took those giant nails and jammed my feet to the stage.
Man, if you think that's crazy, you should wait until you see my game.
Oh man, that was good shit. Haven't had something that good in a while. Hey Michael, you in there? Oh fuck, Jesus Christ, man, you scared the shit out of me. Any sign of him?
I think I found him. He's in this room called, oh, hold on, let me check. It's called Jerry's Felt Closet.
What? Open that bitch. What the fuck?
I got bitches all on my dick and every day.
Jerry, you never told me how to fuck closet.
On my balls, bitches, they know.
So, we need to talk.